So I've finished most of the rendering now. I'm just going to have one strip left to do right at the end there. I've got a little bit of render left in my bucket though, so I'm going to have another go at seeing if I can coat this again and try and get it a little bit smoother. You'll see it's a little bit pock-marked on this bit. I did that late at night once and then didn't have time to smooth it off. So I'm going to start off wetting it. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to try just a very little thin coat of render all over it. Okay, this is the end result after I've been over it with a speed skim. It's still got these little lines in it. I'm going to see if I can polish those out with a sponge once it's set a bit more. So it's about half an hour later now, and I'm just very gently going down with a sponge. And that takes away all of those ridges. It's making it nice and smooth. So that's what it used to be like. That's the old one. And now it's really smooth. So it's going to be perfect. And this is the final result the next day. It's very smooth. In fact, just as nice as the original render I've got up there, where I've learned to do it a lot better. So it was a thin coat with the normal trowel, then go over it with a speed skim, then about an hour later just go down it with a sponge to smooth it off. And that's perfect. I'm going to continue that on the rest of the pock-marked stuff up here, and then we'll have a beautiful smooth surface here as well. And then in a video soon, I think I'll make one about how to do the rendering right in the first place. It's basically all about getting the right amount of render on with the trowel, getting it to a nice consistent depth, and then going over it nicely with the speed skim. I'll do that in a future video.